Why ingredients matter. Baking is indeed a science, and understanding the role of each ingredient in a recipe is key to achieving the perfect bake. Each ingredient serves a specific purpose, and understanding how they interact with each other is crucial to getting the desired texture, flavor, and overall outcome of the baked good. Flour is one of the most important ingredients in baking as it provides structure to the final product. It contains gluten, a protein that gives baked goods their chewy and elastic texture. The type of flour used can vary depending on the recipe, with all-purpose flour being a common choice for many recipes. Sugar is another essential ingredient in baking, as it provides sweetness and helps to tenderize the texture of the baked good. It also helps to activate the yeast in bread recipes, leading to a better rise. Brown sugar adds moisture and depth of flavor to baked goods, while granulated sugar provides a more straightforward sweetness. Butter is a common fat used in baking, adding flavor, richness, and moisture to the final product. Other types of fats, such as vegetable oil, can also be used, but they may affect the texture and flavor of the baked good. Eggs are often used in baking recipes as a binding agent, helping to hold the ingredients together and provide structure. They also add moisture, richness, and flavor to the baked good. In some recipes, eggs can be substituted with ingredients such as yogurt or applesauce for a healthier twist. Baking powder and baking soda are leavening agents that help baked goods to rise. Baking powder contains both an acid and a base, which react together when mixed with liquid, causing the batter to rise. Baking soda, on the other hand, requires an acidic ingredient to react with, such as buttermilk or vinegar. Salt is another crucial ingredient in baking, as it enhances the flavor of the other ingredients and helps to balance out the sweetness. It also strengthens the gluten in flour, leading to a better rise in bread recipes. Understanding the role of each ingredient in a recipe is important when it comes to making substitutions or adjustments. For example, if you want to make a recipe healthier by reducing the amount of sugar, you may need to add an additional binding agent, such as more eggs or applesauce, to help hold the ingredients together. Alternatively, if you are substituting a liquid sweetener for granulated sugar, you may need to adjust the amount of flour used to maintain the correct texture. In conclusion, the science of baking relies on understanding the role of each ingredient and how they interact with each other. By mastering the basics of baking, you can make adjustments and substitutions to recipes to achieve the desired outcome. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember to pay attention to the ingredients and their roles in your recipe for a perfect bake every time.